Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making organic pink grapefruit juice with just 2 ingredients. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade organic pink grapefruit juice. I have so many amazing organic grapefruits from my friends at Tally Farms, and I'm going to turn this into organic pink grapefruit juice with just 2 ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is 113 grams of organic cane sugar, and you're just going to add this to a small pot. Next, we're going to add half a cup of water. And now we're just making a simple syrup here. This is what's going to sweeten our organic grapefruit juice. And then we're going to put this over medium heat and whisk until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the simple syrup is done, we're just going to let this cool completely while we juice our grapefruits. And then we're going to cut our grapefruits and we're just going to juice them. And I just have a simple juicer here. And then I'm going to measure that juice until I have 1 1/4 cups of grapefruit juice. So now we have our grapefruit juice, and I actually have about 1 1/2 cups. It's a little bit more than 1 1/4 cups, but we're not gonna waste fresh grapefruit juice. So if you have a little bit more or just a little bit less, that's totally fine. And this was about 2 1/2 grapefruits. So you'll probably need 2 to 3 grapefruits depending on the size. So next you wanna get a large pitcher that you're going to store this grapefruit juice in, and I just have a glass pitcher here. And then I also have a fine mesh strainer because I want to strain this grapefruit juice just to ensure those little tiny seeds aren't in my juice, because I don't want that and they can kind of slip through the juicer sometimes. And as you can see, we have a little bit of seeds and a little bit of pulp, and we're just going to toss that. So now we have our simple syrup that is cooled, and we're going to add this to the grapefruit juice. And then you're just gonna fill your pitcher with water. It's gonna be about 5 cups of water. And now that I have this extra half a grapefruit that's cut, I'm not gonna let it go to waste. I'm gonna cut this up into slices and put it into the pitcher. Now you just want to give this a little stir, and then it's ready to enjoy. Enjoy this organic pink grapefruit juice over ice. You can also use it in smoothies or cocktails. If you want more easy organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.